Hey everyone, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Ever wonder what happens when gritty realism collides with whimsical magic? This film, Bird, isn't your typical coming of age story. Um, it's a whirlwind, a roller coaster of emotions that will leave you breathless. And 12-year-old Bailey lives in a rundown apartment with her chaotic yet loving father and brother, and life's tough. But Bailey finds solace in her camera, capturing the beauty in the mundane. Then she meets Bird, a peculiar man with a German accent and a tilt. Uh, he's searching for his parents, and Bailey decides to help. Uh, and this adventure unexpectedly reconnects Bailey with her estranged mother and siblings from his body miter. And however, this reunion reveals a darker side, the darker stepfather. And then director Andrea Arnold masterfully blends the harsh realities of Bailey's life with fantastical elements, creating a unique viewing experience. I think Fish Tank meets a whimsical fairy tale. It's a bold and exciting departure for Arnold. Bailey's journey is a wild ride exploring the intersection of human nature and animalistic instincts. The film never shies away from the difficult aspects of her life. Newcomer Nikia Adams shines as Bailey, delivering a raw and authentic performance. Barry Keoghan as her father adds a touch of hilarious absurdity. Keoghan's character's obsession with drug Toad provides some much needed comic relief amidst the intensity. Fron Fragowski as Bird perfectly embodies the film's blend of reality and fantasy. Bird is a story of transformation from childhood to adulthood, from the ordinary to the extraordinary. It's a melancholic yet ultimately heartwarming tale. It's a film that's both raw and magical, much like trying to find a four-leaf clover in a field of dandelions. Surprisingly difficult, but oh so rewarding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.